Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Get ready to make Turkish style pickled cucumbers that will be ready in 4-5 days. It's a really easy method of pickling and comes out very delicious. So let's get started. In the previous episode, I take you to a street market in Fatih near the Byzantine walls. Since we are in the fall season, it's pickling time here in Turkey and we have lots of different veggies for pickling. And I decided to buy some cucumbers and make pickles. We have other types that we use in breakfast or when we make salads, but this is specially for pickling. We have smaller version, I bought the medium one. And please tell me how it is in your country, if you have this type or not. So back home, I prepared my veggies. I also bought some ajur. You see the lighter green ones besides the cucumbers. This is another type we use for pickling. Also I have some sweet green peppers and some hot peppers which we call cin biberi. Make sure you wash your veggies couple of times until you have a clean water coming from them. It is important when you pickle. And these are the ajurs. I don't know their name in English, sorry. Please write down and help me. And I'm just going to mix it in layers to my 3 1-liter jars. I also cleaned them and dry them. It is very important to make sure everything is clean and get rid of the bad parts from the vegetables if they have a successful pickling. After 1/3 is full, I'm adding couple of peppers on each of them. If you don't like too hot, you can skip it or add less. And also make sure you add a good amount of garlic. Again, if you don't like the taste, you can use less, but it really makes it more delicious. So for the sweet peppers, I just take out the stems and going to cut it in 2 or 3 parts and add some as a layer. It really depends on which vegetables you have, which you prefer. I'm gonna continue to fill all my jars in the same manner. Okay, finally, here is the ratio of my pickle sauce, which is 1 tablespoon rock salt on each 1-liter jar. And next, a little bit sugar. It is optional, but really it gives a nice taste. Not everybody use it in Turkish pickling, but I like it this way in some of them. Just a teaspoon each. And here is a citric acid, which we call limon tuzu, lemon salt. It really helps to keep the pickles crunchy and also gives a acidic taste. Just 3 pieces on each of it I added. Next, the vinegar. I use grape vinegar, a half cup on each jar, which is 125 milliliters. just adding a little extra peppers. And here is the trick. We're gonna fill the jar with hot boiling water all the way up. And with this technique, our pickles will be ready in 4 or 5 days. If you are not that patient person, it is good for you to make it this way, and it really comes out delicious still. But the thing is, you have to keep your pickles in the refrigerator or in a cool, dry place, and preferably just eat it within a month. So before I close it, I added a handful of parsley and close it with a new clean lid. And make sure the sides of the jar are dry. You can use a piece of clean paper towel for it. And just turn it over. Let it stay for a couple of hours and then turn it over again. And wait for 5 days to ferment it. Since it is still hot here in Istanbul, after 2 days I put mine to refrigerator and wanted to check. I just couldn't wait anymore. After 4 days, first it was smelling so yummy with the garlic, vinegar and all the vegetables. I'm gonna show you how crunchy it is in a moment. This technique is really nice. You don't have to wait that much. It still comes out very delicious. It's already sliced, very practical to serve. And I really don't like to give that sound, but I'm gonna show you to let you know how crunchy it is. So my friends, I hope you give it a try. Most commonly we eat these pickles with white beans dish, either with meat or without. And of course with Turkish style fluffy pilav. We have many different types of pickles. Hopefully from time to time I'm gonna share more recipes about it. Please do share your way of pickling, how you do it, where you live, and make sure you include your country origin. Thanks for watching my friends. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.